In this session, we will try to understand what is difference between FIRC and BRC. So in earlier session, we have understood what is BRC. So BRC is the bank realization certificate in respect of the foreign remittance received in exporter account in against the export shipment. Okay. So now we will discuss about what is FIRC, foreign inward remittance certificate. Okay. So this is also the certificate of the payment. Okay. But BRC issue in respect of the shipping bill. Okay. But FIRC is issued for any payment, unknown payment received from the overseas or other currencies. Okay. So FIRC means that bank is asking to you to submit the proof of export in respect of this payment. Okay. So foreign inward remittance certificate is also like a BRC, but this BRC is the reconciled with the export shipment. Okay. The shipment, we export the shipment, then we receive payment, and this document BRC issues in respect of shipping bill number. But in FIRC case, if you receive any advance payment from overseas and bank is not aware in what this shipment, what this payment receive in respect of shipments, okay, means that payment is not reconciled or not matched with any export. In such case, bank issue FIRC and send to exporter, okay, to furnish some documents to for the reconciliation of the FIRC payment. Okay. So in easy way we can say BRC issues after export payment received, but FIRC issues when payment received before shipment export, or we can say in advance payment. Okay. So we will try to understand some difference between these. BRC stand for Bank Realization Certificate, which is essential when we will realize the payment remittance for export of the goods. Then FIRC stand for the Foreign Inward Remittance Certificate, which is also the essential when we realize the foreign currencies and exchange for the same in foreign currency. Okay, so both are the documents of proof of inward remittance. Okay, means when you export some goods or when you export some services, then you receive payment. So either bank generate the BRC or FIRC. BRC generated at the time when the payment is reconciled with the export, but FIRC generated by bank when bank is bank not reconcile the payment in respect of the export or service, export of the service and goods. Okay. Now we will understand what are the difference between these two of it. Okay. So first, BRC stand for Bank Realization Certificate and FIRC for stand for Foreign Inward Remittance Certificate. Okay, this is the basic difference of the definitions only. Okay, full form. Now payment in BRC case, payment after shipment. Okay, so when we receive BRC, it means that payment will realize in your account for the export after shipment dispatched. Okay, but in case of FIRC, shipment payment received before shipment means that you may receive the shipment, you may receive the payment in advance or any other in respect of any services. Okay. Now BRC payment respect to shipping bill. Okay. Bank reconcile this export payment in respect of the shipping bill, but FIRC payment in respect of the PI, because that at initial level you just prepare the performa invoice and send to the importer that these are our rate and please make advance payment. Okay, so for the advance payment, bank send some uh, FIRC certificate. Okay, so when payment received is, in respect of performa invoice, then FIRC generate. Now fourth one is in BRC payment as per term. In FIRC payment in advance. Okay, in advance are again payment in respect of services. Now point number fifth, BRC bank document after the BL received. Okay, so generally what we do when we export the goods and we receive the setup document from the CHA like a bill of lading from the shipping line and other proof of export, shipping bill and invoice and packing list attested by the custom. This we receive after the bank after the we need to submit this document the after shipment. Okay, and the in the FIRC case bank document after the FIRC received. So in this second case, in FIRC case we have to submit the document after the FIRC receive. Okay, now point number 6, bank document as per the contract. So in case of BRC we need to submit document to the bank as per contract, but in case of FIRC you need to submit the document as per the bank. Okay, these are the basic differences between FIRC and BRC. Now we will briefly, if you understand the briefly FIRC and BRC, that these are both are the payment proof. One is in respect of the shipment export as per payment terms, and a second FIRC is may advance or service exported. So in such case, in case of FIRC, bank not able to identify the payments, so they generate the FIRC. But in a case of BRC, bank know that payment received in respect of the shipping bill. Okay, so guys, we have tried to understand some basic differences between BRC and FIRC. So now we are going to end this session here. I hope you have learned some knowledge from these sessions. You may receive more knowledge if you go to the playlist of the channel and watch many important videos which will help you to make your career's growth and understand and learning better and better knowledge. So thank you for watching the session. Have a nice day.